Hey guys, Nick, First Class Home Inspection. So this home is in Phoenix, built 1973, so usually with older homes there's definitely going to be a lot more fines, a lot more modifications. So one thing we noticed here, the laundry is on the other side here, and down here the dryer duct is going straight into this water heater closet, so it's not going outside. And you can see all the lint building up in here, and as we go up, the water heater's here. When I go up the top here, it's covered in lint. And right here we have an open electrical circuit. So if something arcs in this and causes fire, it's an easy fire ignition source because if you have all this heavy lint right here. I mean, there's some other problems on this water heater, like corrosion and stuff, evidence of leaking. But my bigger concern now is all this lint right on top of an electrical circuit. If this gets too hot and there's an issue, that's a fire hazard. So this is very important that you get a home inspection on any home purchase, new, old, flipped. It's our job to protect your investment. Give us a call, First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707, firstclasshomeinspections.com, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.